Hi, today we are going to introduce you to how to oil a shredder. Oiling a shredder is an important part of your routine. By following a few simple steps, you can easily maintain your shredder. Before oiling the shredder, we must prepare a piece of A4 paper and a bottle of shredder oil. You need to use the same brand of shredder oil as the shredder. First, apply the oil to the paper in a zigzag pattern. Drizzle the oil over the paper in a zigzag pattern on one side of the paper. Try not to saturate the paper or put too much oil, or else it can get a little messy. Then shred the oil-covered paper by running it through the machine. Pass a few more pieces of paper into the shredder so that they absorb the extra oil left on the blades. Of course, you can also purchase the lubricant sheets to oil the shredder. No need to go through the tedious steps above. The lubricating oil sheet can be used directly. But if you use paper shredder frequently, you need to buy a large amount of lubricating oil sheet. To better maintain your shredder, oil the shredder at least twice a month. This not only prolongs the life of the shredder, maintains the blade of the shredder, but also thereby avoiding paper jams.